A cry for help from a community that feels forgotten. People in Seattle's Little Saigon neighborhood say they are overwhelmed by the crime and mayhem at their doorsteps. Now they have a plan of action to clean up the streets, but to do it, they need help. KOMO's Joel Marino is live in Little Saigon with the plan for public safety. Joel?
Hey, Molly, this is a comprehensive plan based on feedback that was taken from community members who say they just want to feel safe on their own streets.
Groups huddled on the street corners are a regular sight in Little Saigon, which community advocates say is plagued by drug trafficking, overdoses, and illegal street vending that goes on around the clock.
This area still looks like looks war-torn. I mean, we have fencing, barbed wire, shuttered businesses, boarded up businesses.
Fed up with the criminal element and mental crises that has become entrenched in the Seattle neighborhood,
we have a lot more work to do.
Local leaders came together to spotlight a 15-point public safety plan to revitalize Little Saigon.
Today is not a time when every elected or official should stand up here and talk about what they've already done, because clearly it's not enough.
The community says it needs more than just increased police patrols, but a real crackdown on drug activity in street markets selling stolen goods. Financial aid for small businesses impacted by crime is part of the solution, as is a space where officers and outreach workers can operate from.
And we think it would be ideal to open up one of the storefronts so that the police department and all the outreach workers can be there.
The fire chief says his team ran a clinic in Little Saigon to help drug addicts move into recovery.
The clinic far exceeded our initial estimates for engagement.
Advocates are also asking state and county leaders for investments to expand mental health services and build more tiny house villages.
We need help from the city, state, and the county. We need everyone to help us. This issue is far larger than what our community can handle.
Today's release of this 15-point public safety plan, it comes as the city, the county, and the state begin their budget deliberations, and Little Saigon wants to be remembered as those investment decisions are made. Molly?
Joel, I know you and others here at KOMO have been covering this for quite some time. The city's been committing a lot of resources to the neighborhood over the past year. Are they seeing any results from this?
Yeah, there was a representative from the mayor's office at today's event, and she says, the mayor's office says that crime is down. They point to a nearly 25% drop in 911 calls from the Little Saigon neighborhood. They say that there are fewer thefts, about 30% fewer thefts, and when it comes to robberies, a 60% reduction compared to the same time last year. Still, though, the problems persist, and people want solutions that last.
Joel, thank you.